Preparing for your healing, my God, oh my God. I'm waiting for that touch that sends pain away. Believing I'll just wake up and know it's all a dream. I'm falling down the tunnel, my hopes are blown away. Going off my mind, I'm begging you, my God. I'm waiting for my children to keep my dreams alive. In Ozikome, anya mire juwanu manya chuku. In Ozikome, obi abawa wagio chimo. In Ozikome, my whole world is crumbled. That's not how to live. In Ozikome, I need a report no more. Timo, Imukwanya. In Ozikome, Akwena neli wenkegi nele kone memo. In Ozikome, Alabajunu gajuju chuku. In Ozikome, giving all I lived for to satisfy my flesh, throwing away my visions that I might live again. Believing I'll just wake up and see it's all a dream. I'm falling down the tunnel, my hopes are blown away. I'm going off my mind, I'm begging, oh my God. I'm waiting for my children to keep my dreams alive. In Ozikome, anya mire juwanu manya chuku. In Ozikome, obi abawa wagio chimo. In Ozikome, elim diri biano wamo saki kokana koe. In Ozikome, elunobi olilanya mnile anile korakoe. In Ozikome, my life is torn apart, my hopes are gone with the wind. In Ozikome, my whole world is crumbled. That's not how to live. In Ozikome, I need a report no more. Timo, Imukwanya. In Ozikome, Akwena neli wenkegi nele kone memo. In Ozikome, Alabajunu gajuju chuku. In Ozikome, Ewozami juru chimu. In Ozikome, Wangaro diche chuku. Nesiano manyebe. In Ozikome, Atomi mungwanke mo chineke chetanu mo. In Ozikome, obi abawanu mo chuku. In Ozikome, nametu makagi chimo kamkuru mwali. In Ozikome, Preparing for your healing, My God, oh my God, I'm waiting for that touch that sends pain away. Believing I'll just wake up and know it's all a dream. I'm falling down the tunnel, my hopes are blown away. Going off my mind, I'm begging you, my God. I'm waiting for my children to keep my dreams alive. Inozikome anya mire juwonu manya chuku. Inozikome obi agbawa nwagio chimo. Inozikome elim jiri bianu wa mo sakiko kana koe. Inozikome emunobi olilanya mnile anihile kurakoe. Inozikome my life is torn apart, my hopes are gone with the wind. Inozikome my whole world is crumbled, that's not how to live. Inozikome arineripuano mo chimo imukwanya. Inozikome akwena neligwe nkegi neleko nememo. Inozikome anabajunu gajuju chukwu. Inozikome
supposed to be the chairman of the world. Over the diaspora. Why you say that? Over the diaspora. So you think no. And the
down the tunnel, my hopes are blown away. I'm going off my mind, I'm begging, oh my God, I'm waiting for my children to keep my dreams alive. Inozikome anya mire juwonu manya chuku. Inozikome obi agbawa nwagio chimo. Inozikome elim jiri bianu wa mo sakiko kana koe. Inozikome emunobi olilanya mnile anihile kurakoe.
ndị ebe ichie akwa ekene unu, ndị ala anyị ekene unu, ndị Anambra steeti anyị ekene unu. Anyị bụ ndị Apollo Friends Club of Nigeria, and I'm ambassador of the United Nations, called Ambassador Kizito Ikenna, and Ichiato happens to be the chairman of Apollo. Onye nọdị na mba ofesi Germany, UK, US, Abuja, Lagos, everywhere you remember home. And anyị enwetago a beautiful place at Okolo, where we are about to establish a 1,500 plus of land, a very modern estate, and we were almost to start. And it happened that our brother came from Abuja to Oka for the last meeting, and not up to 1 week we hear of his demise. Why? But we must go on, because his wife is there, and Millie Allah is there, and the relatives of Ichiato is there. As our chairman, we must know what to do, and we in diaspora must remember home. I ga-edozi Anambra, I ga-alụ ụlọ na Anambra, ebegide na Lagos anata Anambra, ebegide na mba ofesi anata Anambra. I ga-ebido n'Ukwulu with 1,500 plus of land as a commencement in collaboration with United Nations. Onye chọrọ ma more about this, the person can connect the wife of Ichiato or the brother, the elder brother, Nili Alo, or what is the His Royal Highness Elibe, the Igbo of Alo, or Nkoli Ekong, nke melodi na Akwa Ibom, nwa ndị be ezi Igbo, what's the name? Biko Kọwanya, ndị bụ
onye ezi Igbo nke ya. Mana alụrụ m onye Akwa Ibom. So ihe ndị Igbo na-adị m mma. Mkpali ndị ofesi na ndị mba dị iche iche na-enye ndị be anyị mere ihe anyị ji ebe otu a. And ọ bụ nnukwu ewute bụ na isi ajụjụ onye isi anyị so wee kpokọba otu a ha na-achị achị ha. Ana m ajụjụkwa ajụjụ ọma nke ha.
O nwekwa onye ọzọ na n'oru mba Blessing Ukando is here to know about us, or you call 090-639-73264 maka Akulono First Club of Nigeria. Thank you very much. Ife anyị demesịrị ebe a fọnụ ma nwaanyị na ife ndị ọzọ na envelopu a ife mara abụba dị ka anyị ji esi ka anyị bịa si unu ebe wọna biko unu ekele m unu.
Believe me, just wake up. My hopes are blown away. Waiting for my children. Ambassador.
Onye chiri ya selu kele eze kele ọzọ kele afọ mụrụ nze ọzọ so onye ezebe ya mete ụlọ ọza ihe biko ka nne ya ọjụ ele dị ebe a 11 It's okay. We communicate to you. Then I again give us a bad okay?
Okay. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Please, can you tell us your name and your title, sir?
Okay, my titles are many, but I have to go with one. I'm representing the International Association of World Peace Advocates of United Nations as a global diplomat. On that note, I'm a global ambassador of the United Nations, Ambassador Kizito Ikenna. I'm here in Alo, Anambra State of Nigeria today because we have come to condole with the family of Nnanyelu Kudemia, aka Ichie Atu Fabo, one of the traditional rulers in Alo, in Anambra State, who happens to be the chairman of Akulono first club of Nigeria worldwide. You know, the ideology of Akuluno worldwide is to encourage the Southeasterners that are living across the globe to think home, bring your investment to Igbo land, come and establish Igbo land, where you know that basically your investment are secured. That is the ideology of Ichialu for you.
So, what are the criteria or requirements to be a member of First Club?
If you are an entrepreneur, if you are a civil servant, if you are a very honest Igbo person, an indigenous Igbo person, wherever you dwell across the globe, so long as you have a sound integrity, no matter how meager your earning is, you are qualified to think home. You are qualified to develop your home. That is a need. You are qualified to develop a need. And that is why you are qualified to become a member of a community. Our aims and objectives are very simple and unique. To help one another establish become an investor of West Africa, to make sure that we have affordable homes in Anigbo. And we are starting that agenda in Anambra State. Ukuru is very close to Oka. Alright? We are establishing modern estates. To get a living, a home, a good home for living. You know? Thank you very much.
Who is
Late Chief Damian Nnayelugo, aka to be a former chairman because outlet anyway. Our late chairman, the chairman, we don't have a power, so we are like orphans. But in any case, we are strong-footed. That is why we have one of our chairman. Ichiato is what is the chairman of Akuluno First Club of Nigeria worldwide until the substituting chairman comes on board.
Thank you, sir. What are some of the challenges?
Oh, it's a very simple thing. His brother, Millie Ofalo, is aware of Akuluno. A lot of friends like Richmond in Abuja is aware. Some of us in UK and the rest of it are aware. The wife of Ichiato is aware. Igbo Ofalo is aware of Akuluno. So all these people can get across to us or get connected to us via our active mobile line.
Let's have the number.
Okay, 090-639-73264. You reach us on WhatsApp. 081-87-43-7240. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And what's your plan for this happening? And why the children
Our prayer is very unique. Unique in the sense that Ichiato has passed on, still lives on, because he has a successor. He has a young boy with bright future. He has a wife, an intelligent one like that, who has a lot of parallel connection, who is connected to us. If she wants to make this a standing empire, connect to us. So our prayer is that once again, to bear the loss, at the same time, let them get that properly.
I'm actually from Alo. I'm married and I'm wife of man.
There's a loss of are at the first come, how do you feel like?
It was really devastating, so devastating. But with the help of God, we'll move on.
And what do you have to tell the family that lost this gentleman?
God grant them the fortitude to bear this huge loss. It's actually a win because
Please, can you tell us your name and your title?
And overhead. Who are you to? I'm not a Friends Club. Well, I'm the public relations officer at Bruno Friends Club.
First of all, what are the major works of
Well, the purpose of establishing a Bruno Friends Club is to ensure that all people everywhere around the country have an establishment for investment in Igbo land. Our interest is just our name. Everything that belongs to Igbo should come down to the Igbo land. That is the essence of that having a group of friends. And one of the benefits is since you are a member of a group of friends club, you are entitled whatever that belongs to a group of friends club in Igbo land. Especially.
I'm considering the loss of how do the members of our
So, a group of friends club is feel so sad about this life. I don't think we will have each other to talk in a group. We will not have each other or anybody like each other in a hurry. Because each other means a lot to us, a straightforward person, a sincere man in that, and he carries everyone at heart. What's the prayer for this family? What's the prayer for this family? Our prayer for the family is what the grace of God, God to grant them the possibility to be at the Lord. It's a parable.
My life is torn apart. My hopes are gone with the wind.
Oke,